What happens when speed, stealth, and firepower collide in the sky? Today, we are counting down the top 10 fighter jets that rule the skies in 2025. Number 10. Saab JAS-39E Gripen. Sweden's Gripen is a lightweight fighter designed for speed, agility, and rapid deployment. It can carry up to 6,000 kg of weapons on 10 hardpoints and hits a top speed of Mach 2. With cutting-edge radar and the ability to take off from the highways, it's built for smart warfare. Number 9. Mikoyan MiG-35. An upgrade of MiG-29, the MiG-35 is fast, deadly, and battle-ready. It reaches Mach 2.25, has a combat range over 2,000 km, and carries laser-guided bombs, air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. Its super maneuverability and modern avionics give it a strong edge in dogfights. Number 8. Dassault Rafale. Built for versatility, the Rafale dominates in air, land, and sea missions. It reaches Mach 1.8 and carries up to 9,500 kg of weapons, including nuclear payloads and precision-guided munitions. It's packed with electronic warfare system, making it tough to track and tougher to hit. Number 7. Eurofighter Typhoon. Designed by a European consortium, the Typhoon is all about power and precision. It can reach speeds of Mach 2 while carrying 7,500 kg of weapons, from long-range missiles to laser-guided bombs. With superior agility and cutting-edge radar, it thrives in high-threat combat zones. Number 6. J-20 Mighty Dragon. China's J-20 is a stealth beast designed for surprise strikes and long-range dominance. Flying at over Mach 2, it can carry long-range air-to-air missiles internally to stay hidden from radar. Its low observable design and growing capabilities make it a major player in modern aerial warfare. Number 5. Su-35S. An evolution of the Su-27, the Su-35S is brutally fast and insanely maneuverable. It hits Mach 2.25, flies over 3,600 km, and carries 8,000 kg of mixed weaponry, including air-to-ground and anti-ship missiles. Thanks to 3D thrust vectoring, it can pull off aerobatic moves unmatched by most jets. Number 4. F-15EX Eagle II. The F-15EX is a heavy-duty war machine blending old-school power with new-school tech. With a top speed of 2.5 and the ability to carry up to 13,400 kg of weapons, it's built for overwhelming force. It can fire hypersonic missiles, making it a lethal strike platform in any airspace. Number 3. Su-57 Falcon. Russia's first stealth fighter, the Su-57, is built for next-generation warfare. It cruises at Mach 2, travels over 3,500 km, and hides its guided missiles inside to maintain stealth. With AI-powered avionics, stealth coatings, and supercruise, it's a true 5th-generation predator. Number 2. F-35 Lightning II. More than just a jet, the F-35 is a flying supercomputer. It flies at Mach 1.6, carries both conventional and nuclear weapons, and can strike targets without ever being seen. With 360-degree battlefield awareness, it's the most widely used stealth fighter on Earth. Number 1. F-22 Raptor. Still unmatched in aerial combat, the F-22 is America's top-tier air dominance fighter. It can fly at Mach 2.25, dodge radar with ease and unleash 6 air-to-air missiles, 2 sidewinders and JDAM bombs. Its stealth, speed and kill precision make it the ultimate king of the skies. These jets are not just machines, they are dominance in motion. If you live for firepower and fearless flight, lock in and subscribe to our channel. We don't just talk air power, we live it.